Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at how you can set up Prisma and Bun together. Okay, so let's create a new project. MKDir. You can use your own terminal and follow along with me if you want. Prisma Bun 01. Alright, let's go in this folder and let's initiate Bun. I'm going to do the -y. Alright, let's clear everything and let's open cursor with it. You can use your IDE and we need to install a few more packages. I'm going to install some types and Prisma adapter. Alright, okay. And now we are taking a look at how we can set up the actual database. Obviously, I'm living in France, so I'm going to choose Europe. Okay, let's do Bun Prisma 01. Okay, you can choose the name that you like. Let's clear this, it's fine, it's working. And let's take a look now at our schema file. Okay, because we want to update it. It is quite simple. Okay, I like to remove the comment and I'm just gonna add a very simple user, but this is for the sake of having this tutorial super simple. Okay, so right now don't forget to actually save your file. So now we need to generate the client and apply the schema to the database. So for this, we are going to use those two commands, Prisma migrate dev. We're going to name it init. Okay, this is our first migration, and we are going to generate the Prisma client. All right. Okay, generated Prisma client, looks good. And now what we want to do is at source level, we want to add a DB file. Okay, all right. This is to configure our Prisma client. Let me zoom out. All right, the Prisma client and the adapter. And of course, we want to add some seed data. So we're going to add a seed data in the Prisma folder. Okay, you can name it seed.ts. And then we're going to need to actually update our config file. But right now, let's just copy paste a very simple seed file. Okay, let's take a look. So as you can see, this is using Prisma, obviously. Prisma user.create many. We're going to create many records and just like a few names and a few emails. Okay, for the sake of showing you the actual current state of the DB. Okay, let me show you. We have this new DB, okay? And this is obviously, for now, completely empty. Let me show you. We're gonna have, of course, the Prisma migration because we did one migration, okay? And we linked our schema. Look at this, the ID, the name, and the email, but it is empty. So what if we want to add some data? We have the seed file, we have the client. So right now, let's take a look at the config file. And we are missing something here, which is the seed. Okay, so up, seed, you do this, and you do bun run prisma.seed. Okay, and with this, you can actually use the actual command now, bunx bun prisma db seed. Okay, and you're gonna have a nice message at the end, which is this one, the seed command has been executed. Okay, sounds nice, and then refresh the page. We should have a few users. As you can see, this is the case. We have our 10 users. Looks good. So what if you want to go a little bit further and have something in your browser? So first of all, let's clear everything and let's do this bun run index.ts. We have just a hello via bun, which is completely normal because if we take a look, we just have a console log in our index.ts file. So let's remove this and add a nice snippet that is going to fetch some data. Okay, this is just fetching what we have in our data, which is going to do find mini, and we have the count and everything, and this is going to show a nice data on our browser. So let's just open this. Let's run again the actual index file, and now this is not going to work in your IDE, but this is going to work in a classic local file. Let me show you. We have this. Okay, so this is not that nice. You can do pretty print and you have all of your data. Okay, so this is as easy as this to use Bun with Prisma. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section and you will find a guide, a link for the guide to this actual tutorial in the description, of course. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and on Discord. We are very active. Thank you very much for watching. It was Arthur and I'll see you next time. Bye.